Right.
What is your method of factorization? Like, what method of factorization have you learnt at school, or what methods with an S of factorizations have you learnt at school, and which one, or which way is the one that's most comfortable for you?
We've really only been told one method,
Yes, what's that?
and that's to find two numbers that add to the first number, and then that multiply to give the second.
Yes. Okay. Well, that's good. That's true. Only if it's a monic, right? If it's a monic trinomial, then yeah, that absolutely works. Do you know what I mean by a monic trinomial?
Not really.
Monic, mono meaning one.
Yeah.
Yep. A monic trinomial is where your leading term, in other words, your x squared term, starts with one. Right? If
Yep, yep,
that's
yep.
if it's called a monic, this is a classic monic trinomial. Okay, it's a monic trinomial. Where you've got a monic trinomial, the first term always breaks down into those, yeah, x and x. Got it?
Yeah.
Right? And then, yes, you're looking for two numbers that multiply to give the third term and add together to give the middle term. Yep.
Yeah.
In this case, it would be
10 and 3.
10 and 3. Yep. And if we use the FOIL method, that's exactly what we get. Okay? Perfect. Got it? However, let me tell you that sometimes your trinomials are not going to be monic. Yep. So in this case, it is monic. This case, is it monic or non-monic?
Monic.
Yeah, it's monic. And this one, is it monic or non-monic? It's
Non-monic.
non-monic. Okay. Now, can we turn this one into a monic?
I think.
Yep. What can we do to turn this monic? Factorize out our,
2.
not just the
Negative
2, a
2.
negative 2, which leaves you with,
X squared.
yep,
Plus 5x.
yes,
Minus
yeah,
48 divided by 2, 24.
minus 24. Now, have we got a monic resulting?
Yeah.
Yeah, a resultant monic. Yep. So, yeah, now we can factorize that.
Yep, so that becomes uh, what do you think? 8 and negative 3?
Yep. Good. Perfect. Got it?
Yes.
Yep. Let's do this one. Just so we know it wasn't a fluke. What what goes here, by the way? What's the first term in both?
M,
Yep.
I think.
Yep. I think you're right. So it's m here, m here. Yep. Yep. And then minus 20 becomes?
Um, in the first bracket?
Oh, it doesn't really
Or,
matter what will it, because they both start with
yeah,
m. Yep. So they multiply to give minus 20, add together to give minus
1.
1. Yep.
I feel so dumb. Add to give minus 1, multiply to give minus 20. Should be simple.
Yep. So in other words, we're looking for minus 20 to be the product, right? So one number's going to be positive, the other one's going to be negative, because that's the only way that you're going to multiply them together to give you the negative 20, right?
Right.
Yeah, a negative number at the back, right? When we add those numbers up, they're gonna kind of cancel each other out, yeah?
Yeah.
You got the positive number, which is gonna counteract the negative number, resulting in minus m, or minus 1 being the coefficient. What two numbers are 1 unit apart from each other multiply to give you 20?
Um. Oh, 5 and
Yeah,
4.
yeah. So which one's 5 and which one's 4? Remember, they
Um,
add together to give you a negative number. So the bigger number, or the bigger absolute value, is going to be a negative.
yeah. Positive,
Yes.
negative 4, positive 5.
All right. What's negative 4
Oh,
plus?
sorry, no, negative 5, positive 4, sorry.
Yes, that's better. Because they're going to add to give you a negative number. So
Yeah,
the
sorry.
negative number has to be
Negative 5,
the one
positive
that's
4,
further away from 0. Yeah. Got it?
yeah.
Beautiful.